Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to remove the footer in Weebly for 2025. If you're building a website and that default footer is cramping your style, don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps in just a few minutes. This is perfect for beginners who want a cleaner, more professional look without diving too deep into code. First, log into your Weebly account and select the website you want to edit. Once you're in the dashboard, click on the Edit button to open the site editor. Now, head over to the Design tab at the top of the screen. This is where the magic happens. In the Design section, look for the Edit HTML, CSS option. Click on it to access the code editor. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Footer. Here, you'll see the code that controls the footer element. To remove it, simply highlight and delete the entire footer code block. But be cautious, double-check that you're not accidentally removing other important parts. If you're not comfortable with editing code, Weebly has a user-friendly alternative. Go back to the main editor, navigate to the Pages section, and select the page with the footer. In the drag and drop interface, find the footer element at the bottom of your page. Click on it, drag it to the trash icon, or use the Delete option to remove it entirely. After making your changes, click Save in the top right corner, and then hit Publish to update your live site. Always preview your site first to make sure everything looks just right, no surprises. And there you have it. Your Weebly site is now footer-free. This simple tweak can make a big difference in your site's design. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more web tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.